We have put together this in-service video so that when this bin arrives to your department, you know how to use it. It's important to remember that although our drug waste bins come in different containers, they all contain the same gel solution on the inside. All of our yellow bins are for liquid medication waste, and our blue bin is for tablets and capsules. All of our liquid medication bins have the exact same method of use. So here's how to use your liquid drug waste bin for all your injectable and oral liquid drugs. Take your drug waste bin and note the water line indicated on the side of the bin. All drug waste bins will have a gel sachet on the inside. Add water up to the indicated line and swirl to break open the sachet. Once the sachet has broken open, you can place the lid on the bin and write the activation date and the expiry date. Then you can place your drug waste bin on your anaesthetic trolley, in your treatment or medication room, or at patient bedside, and you can discard any liquid pharmaceutical waste into the gel. The gel renders the drugs irretrievable and unrecognisable. At the 7-day mark, or if the bin is full before that point, you can simply take your bin and place it in a waste stream bound for incineration. By using our liquid drug waste bin, you can be confident that you're meeting all of the legislative requirements and that you are disposing of pharmaceuticals in a way that is safe and sustainable. If you want more information or want to set up a free trial in your healthcare facility, head over to our website, send us an email, or give us a call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this in-service video by Drugwaste International.